and welcome to Credit B Presents RCB 12th Man TV. The result was never in doubt, and the manner in which Team India annihilated the host Zimbabwe was the cherry on the top. A convincing all-round display meant the series was clinched on Saturday with a game to spare. If the first ODI was as assertive as it gets with a 10-wicket victory, the second ODI was as convincing, with India chasing down 162 with almost half the overs to spare. What were the most encouraging takeaways from the dominant performance? Here are our top three. At number 3, Indian seamers set the tone early. As in the first game, the seamers with the new ball kept things airtight before dealing 4 crucial blows. And once Siraj made the early breakthrough of the day, the floodgates were open. And Siraj, Shardul Thakur and Prasidh Krishna left Zimbabwe 4 down within the next 4 overs. The Indian seam bowling bench strength in ODIs yet again flexed its muscles.
Thanks a lot for the gift. यार ये तो मेरे लिए था, अब एक और लेने के पैसे नहीं है.
ये ले और यहाँ से 10 मिनट में लोन ले.
Credit B, loans anytime, anywhere.
At number 2, Kuldeep and Huda strike crucial blows. From fast bowlers to the spinners, at 4 down, the experienced duo of Sikandar Raza and Sean Williams were putting together a crucial partnership to give the Zimbabwean innings a backbone. It was Kuldeep Yadav who made the key breakthrough of Raza to further dent the host. And a few overs later, Deepak Huda had Sean Williams caught in the deep, leaving the host reeling at 105 for 6. A position from where, despite the best efforts of Ryan Burl, Zimbabwe could only muster a paltry 161. And at number 1, Samson finishes off in style. After Shikhar Dhawan and Shubman Gill made a sizable dent in the target, it was up to the Indian middle order to bring the game home. And Sanju Samson brought it home in style. From especially severe on the Zimbabwean spinners, Samson's attacking 43, not out of just 39, sealed the chase and the series with plenty to spare. From the silky smooth cover drive to get off the mark to finishing it off with a maximum, Samson looked at ease to finish off the chase. Although the series has been clinched, Team India will still be looking to tick a few boxes from the final ODI. Time in the middle for the Indian skipper for KL Rahul will be at the top of the Indian wish list ahead of the Asia Cup. Can India make it 15 wins in a row against Zimbabwe? We'll find out.